This short video explains how to set up your new fridge. Unpacking requires care to avoid your cutting tool scratching your lovely new fridge. Now you need to adjust the feet so it doesn't rock or tip over when you open the doors. Perhaps the way the doors open is awkward in its new home, or maybe you just want them on the other side. They're easy to swap over. You just need to unscrew the door bolts. Take off the door carefully, then reattach the bolts to the opposite side to rehang the door. It now opens as you want it. Before we push it back, make sure these spacer coils are attached. Your spacers may look different to these. Make sure they're screwed into the back of your fridge to keep it a safe distance from the wall. If it's too close, it may overheat and could potentially cause a fire. You need to let the gases settle for 24 hours first, or you might risk damaging your fridge. After 24 hours, you can plug in and turn on your fridge.